Hey, West ISUP students. Today we're going to be talking about Flipgrid. And you're going to say to me, what the heck is Flipgrid? Well, Flipgrid is this amazing video discussion platform. Millions of educators, students, families in over 180 countries have been using this. And basically, what it allows us to do is kind of have a safe place, where we could go and discuss, different topic questions. And we're going to do it via camera. So what I'm going to show you today is how to get there, what it looks like, and just a really quick tutorial. So I have a site for Flipgrid. The address is flipgrid.com/wihslibrary. So if you were to go there, it will ask you to log in with your Google account or Microsoft. We're going to log in with our school Google account. That way we get access to this. So I'm going to do that right now. You would put your credentials in. And once you put it in once, it will remember your information. Okay, it says login successful. And now this is the West ISUP High School Library page. So right now I only have a few things up. There's actually a lot more that I'm going to be putting on this week, including I have a few book reviews. There's an introduction, and then there's this place right here, Page Turner's Book Club, which is the book club that meets every other Thursday right here in the library. So we have some interesting things going on there. But I'm going to head over right now to the YA book reviews. And if I were to click on this particular grid, it has a spot right here that says what it's all about. So it says, what great YA book have you read that you would like others to also read? Do you agree or disagree with other choices? Stay positive and let's have fun. I also added a book trailer here for The Book Thief, which is the next book that happens to be that our book club is reading, and is an amazing title. So what you would do is you would just scroll down, and if you would like to add your favorite book review, you would tap the green plus sign. It will ask you to allow your Chromebook to use its microphone and camera, so I would say allow. And here I am. Oh, great. There I am, looking fantastic. And you would just simply record and start talking. So I'm just going to do this as a test. So let's see. It's going to count down. Hey, everybody. This is the test for the Flipgrid YA reviews. I plan on reviewing lots of books, and I hope you have a lot to say about the titles that I've selected. And I look forward to seeing the titles you select. Thanks. So I would just hit the stop button. I go to next. It reviews. Hey everybody, this is the test for the Flipgrid YA reviews. I plan on reviewing lots of books, and I hope you have a lot to say about the titles that I've selected, and I look forward to seeing the titles you select. Thanks. Okay, so that's hey everybody, that's what it looks like. I can click next. You do have to take a selfie. And that just shows up, and then I submit it. Once you submit it, it says congratulations, your video is complete, you complete it, and there it is. Now, if you were to watch my video, you could also make a comment underneath it, and the comments would show up over here. This reply right button is a way to record your comment or your reply. So I would just, again, wait for it to go, and I would say right here, okay, thanks, Mrs. Maniscalco. I look forward to seeing your book reviews, and I'm going to put my book review up next. Hit stop. I could add some fun things to this. There's stickies. You do need to snap a selfie every time. It's just to show that you're actually the person recording it. So, and if you really hate selfies, then you could just, do one of these. Maybe I don't know who I am. I don't know. Maybe you want to have fun with it. That's fine too. Please remember, just be appropriate for school. Use good judgment with that. But here's mine. Okay, there I am. Although I wore my elf thing, I could also decorate this very cute with other stickers. It's just a little fun. And then submit. It uploads, congratulations, and I am complete. So now I not only have my video, but I have a reply to my video. Nice and easy. If you have trouble with this or you want a further tutorial, come and see me right here in the library on the first floor. Thanks.